Hello babies, I'm coming at y'all with a super exciting video. At least it's exciting for me because I love snacks, I love Korea, and if they come in the same thing, a crate of snacks from Korea, like, yes ma'am, I'm trying to get with that. So I got a snack crate that comes with, I think it says 10 to 12 full-size snacks, and I upgraded it and I got a drink. Okay, only thing I opened and got out was this drink that I paid $6 for because I don't want to drink a warm drink. Especially not this one because it says refreshing milk and yogurt flavor. And it's carbonated. I don't know how I feel about that. I don't know what to try first. I am so excited. So the crate looks like this. It says Snack Crate Korea. Oh, fun facts. I'm going to read you a fun fact about Korea, okay? Almost all restaurants deliver. They'll even come back for your dirty dishes. No way. Ah! Look at my stickers. I hate my stickers. Tell me that's not cute. I'm excited. Look at it. Look at this. Ah! Okay. So the first thing I'm gonna try is lotte? Lotte? How do you say that? What is this? Lotte? Lotte? It's a happy promise custard. For all people's happiness, we're baking fresh custard cakes every day. It looks like a piece of bread.
Oh, I can tell it's sweet. Oh, this is bread. Oh.
I'm not mad. Ooh, that's delicious. Ooh, 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 I like that. Okay, the next thing I'm gonna get, ooh, it's coffee flavored, Vina coffee, Koku Diasa. Oh no, I'm gonna murder this. Kokue Dasa. Oh. Oh, it's cute. Oh my god. I like that too. It kind of tastes like if you took like just a vanilla cookie and put like coffee flavor on it. That's what it tastes like. Nothing too special, you know what I'm saying? The next thing I'm gonna try is the same thing, but it says white. It says it's in the white. Oh, this one smells even better. Oh, I like that one even better. Okay, the next thing I got is an Orion chocolate pie. Cocoa pie since 1974. With marshmallow filling. Now, to be honest, I don't think marshmallow filling is my jam, but we're gonna see. This looks like those little cakes we have with the little swirl like this. What are those pies called? I don't know. It looks like, honestly, it looks like a chocolate cheeseburger. It tastes like that cupcake with the little swirly doos on it. I'm not mad. I got a Cocoa Heim, Cocoa Hazelnut. Oh, I like Ferrero Rocher. Hello. Now, I like hazelnut because I love Ferrero Rochers. Ferrero Rocher are my jam, dude. Looks like this. It's like cocoa inside. I like how flaky it is. I don't love it. Would I buy it? Probably. Next, go for this. Oh, guess what? I can't tell y'all what this is. I can't tell you what it is, but I can tell you what it tastes like. So, it kind of looks like crackers. Oh, they kind of crumbled. Yeah. It's a cracker. It just looks like a cracker, like a salty cracker. Oh, What? What is this? It made my... Oh no! Oh, that's weird. Oh, I don't like that. Bitch, I got some ramen! Dude, I got a pack of ramen? Oh no, baby. Oh! To wash that cracker out of my mouth, I'm gonna drink... Oh, I'm scared! I'm gonna drink this Milkis. Let's see if it'll focus on not me. Lotte Milkis refreshing milk and yogurt flavored drink that's carbonated. I'm so scared. It smells like Sprite. Oh! Listen. That's pretty good. Oh gosh, dude, those crackers were gross. No way! I'm assuming this is a baked, it just says a delicious baked pie and then Korean stuff. And there's strawberries on it, so I'm assuming this is like a strawberry baked pie. Cut it with some sauce, baby. Yeah! Oh, it's cute! Oh, this is cute. Look! Oh, I'm shaky. Oh, it looks like, do you know what this looks like? It looks like a cheese Danish from Starbucks. Ha! This is obviously like jelly. Oh, whoa. That's weird. And it looks really flaky. I love flaky things, y'all. Oh, that's so good. Now I'm gonna go to a cookie that looks literally cute. Look at, that's me. Look at me. But look at me. Yes, queen. This is from Lotte. Hey, we want some Lotte. They're cocoa biscuit. Kancho. So far, I think I could live in Korea. At least eat their snacks, you know? They look like this, like a little bit. Oh, we lost one. We lost one. Oh, no! It's amazing. Oh, this is Korean's #1 brand, and it's my baby. I don't wanna just be bad for us. Ah, I bit my tongue. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Shimmy, shimmy, cocoa pop. I think I like it. The next thing I got is strawberry. Something. It's got Pikachu on it though. Tell me that's not cute. Okay, it looks chewy. It looks like this. Little strawberries on it. It just looks like a little like Now or Later. That strawberry taste was strong. I wasn't ready for that. I wasn't ready for that. Oh my god. Oh. It's not like that fake artificial strawberry flavor. It's like I'm eating a strawberry right now and I'm real shook about it. It's good. It's like I just went to a field in farmland. Went to the strawberry section, picked some strawberries, came home, rinsed them off, ate them. Tastes like a strawberry. Have another pie thing, and it's apple flavored. So let's try the apple flavored one. I think I like the strawberry one better. Well, I have ramen. Should I make the ramen? This looks like it's honey flavored and I don't... Ooh. This is what the ramen looks like. On the package, it looks like honey flavored. But there might be cheese. I don't know. Hi, Jojo here. Turns out I was not supposed to boil the ramen, and I was just supposed to eat it like little crackers and pour the little spice packet on it. So I look real dumb, and that's probably why it tasted so gross. Back to you, Jojo. Yo, they're like sweet. Ew. What? Dude. I don't like that. Ew. Our crate is empty. Okay, so that was everything in the snack crate. I could eat snacks in Korea 100%. My least favorite thing were those crackers in the yellow package. They left a weird taste in my mouth for like too long. My number one favorite were these Pepetto. That's all I have for this video. I love you so much. I'll see you guys next week with another video. Bye. Ah! Oh no.